Hi boys and girls, this is the second part of your flipped video. This picture here is a comet. A comet is a small orbiting body made of dust, ice, and frozen gases. The solid center of a comet is its nucleus. Like all objects in the solar system, comets orbit the sun. However, most comets travel in very long elliptical paths similar to the one shown here. When a comet approaches the sun, frozen solids in its nucleus vaporize. Gases and dust are released, producing a glowing region called a coma. Energy from the sun causes the comet to grow. Charged particles streaming from the sun push particles out of the coma, producing a glowing tail that can reach millions of kilometers into space. And the coma is this part right here. The orbits of some comets extend to just beyond the planet Neptune. These comets make one complete trip around the sun in fewer than 200 years. They are called short-period comets. The best-known comet, Halley's Comet, is a short-period comet that orbits the sun about once every 76 years. It will be visible from the Earth in the year 2061. The orbits of other comets extend much farther from the sun. Some scientists believe that most of these comets are found beyond Pluto, which, as we know, is no longer a planet and very far away from Earth. As many as 1 trillion comets may exist in this region. These comets take up to 30 million years to orbit the sun. They are called long-period comets. Halley-Bopp, a long-period comet identified in 1995, takes nearly 2,500 years to orbit the sun. Now we will talk about meteors. Have you ever seen a shooting star sweep across the night sky? It produces a bright, short-lived streak of light. But such streaks are not moving stars at all. They are meteors. A meteor is a streak of light caused by a chunk of matter that enters the Earth's atmosphere and is heated with the friction of the air. These chunks of matter are called meteoroids. And this is an example of what one might look like if we were to hold it in our hand or find it on the Earth. For a few moments, the meteoroids burn as they fall, appearing as a streak of light against the night sky. A few meteoroids are the size of asteroids, but most are much smaller. Many are smaller than a grain of sand. So this would be an example of a very large meteoroid. Sometimes more meteors are visible in the sky than usual. These events are called meteor showers. During a meteor shower there can be 50 meteoroids per hour seen. Meteor showers can last from a few hours to a few days. Most showers occur when Earth passes through clouds of dust left orbiting the sun by a passing comet. Sometimes the falling rocks stay intact during their trip through the Earth's atmosphere. When these objects strike the ground, they are called meteorites. Most meteorites are believed to come from the asteroid belt. When large meteorites strike the Earth's surface, they form bowl-shaped depressions called impact craters. And this is an impact crater shown here. This impact crater shown here is the Barringer Crater in Arizona. It formed sometime between 20,000 and 50,000 years ago. This is our visual summary. The solar system consists of the sun, 8 planets, not 9. Sometimes even the book is incorrect. There are moons and many other smaller bodies that revolve around the sun. All but 2 planets in the solar system have at least one moon. Moons, comets, and asteroids are among the smaller bodies in our solar system. Meteoroids are bits of matter that burn out when they enter the Earth's atmosphere. These facts you might want to write down in a notebook or just bullet them and have them on a piece of paper to bring to class, because these are some of the most important parts that we'll be talking about in the next couple of days in class. Thank you for watching. the flipped video of the solar system. Write down any questions that you might have and we'll discuss them tomorrow in class. See you tomorrow!